Hi guys, I'm Anna from Calipress in Sydney. Today I'm going to show you how to make our Calipress Bulletproof using the Allpress Coffee Shot. A bulletproof coffee tastes creamy, buttery, rich, keeps your energy levels up high instead of like you having that crush. For the bulletproof, I add 200 ml of hot water. Actually, so then high concentrated coconut oil, or some people call it MCT oil. Then we add like a medium slice of butter. Now I'm adding the Allpress Coffee Shots, around 25 ml here. Just pour that in here, and then we blitz it all up. Well, I guess the Bulletproof is like a fashion drink, but it really does its job. Like when you have it, you feel super energized. It smells so good. Sometimes it's just nice to mix it up, and if you go to the gym, you could use it as a breakfast afterwards. You really like keep your energy levels going. So a quick 10 to 30 second blend until it's nice and frothy. If you blend it, you get that nice layer of froth on the top, and that really makes the coffee. Smells absolutely delicious.